The Box and Whiskers chart shows you how your data is spread out. 5 pieces of information called the 5-number summary are generally included in the chart. The minimum, that's the smallest number in the data set. The minimum is shown at the far left of the chart at the end of the left whisker. You might sometimes see a little bar at the end of the whisker, but this doesn't mean anything other than to mark the end of the whisker. The first quartile, Q1, is at the far left of the box or the far right of the left whisker. The median is shown as a line inside the box. The box itself is a rectangle which encloses the middle half of the data, with an end at each quartile, Q1 and Q3. The other dimension in the box, the height, if you like, doesn't represent anything in particular. The third quartile is shown at the far right of the box or at the far left of the right whisker. The maximum, the largest number in the data set, is shown at the far right. Let's look at an example of how you would make a box plot. This data shows ages of coffee shop customers. The first step is to order the numbers from smallest to largest. We are interested in the ages of the customers, so ordering the ages from smallest to largest, we get 25, 30, 45, 45, 50, 55, and 70. The minimum is the smallest number, 25, and the maximum is 70. I'm going to draw a horizontal line and label it so it has a spread of that range from 25. I'm going to start that at 20 so that my tick marks go up by 10s, and that goes through to 70. Here's my minimum and my maximum. The median is the number in the middle of the set, that's 45. Q1 is the median of the lower set of numbers. Those below the median, the middle number here is 30, so that's Q1. Q3 is the median of the upper set of numbers. The number in the middle here is 55. Next we want to draw the left whisker between the minimum and Q1. That's the first and second dots. Next, draw a line between the maximum, the last dot, and the one before it, Q3. Draw a box around the 3 dots in the center. You can make the box as tall or as short as you like. Finally, draw a vertical line connecting the median to the upper and lower edges of the box. So here we have a box plot of the data where the box itself represents the interquartile range, or middle 50%.